Who versus whose?
John, what is the fastest way to teach the difference between who and whose?
Use the pronoun substitution trick.
How does it work?
Try to replace the word with he or his. If you can replace by he, use who. For example, he is going becomes who is going.
And for whose?
If you can replace by his, use whose. His jacket becomes whose jacket. Both his and whose end in that S sound.
Who equals he and whose equals his. That is perfect.
Now, to stop them from mixing up whose and the contraction whose, always say who is out loud.
Ah, the read aloud test.
Exactly. If who is going to the party makes sense, use who apostrophe s. If it sounds wrong, you need the possessive whose.
That is incredibly practical, John. I'm going to put these 2 test formulas on the whiteboard tomorrow.
What happened?
Mary was having trouble teaching her students who versus whose and asked John for help. Thankfully, John had a secret pronoun trick and taught her all about it. Basically, if it can be replaced by he, who should be used, and if it can be replaced by his, who should be used. Mary was grateful and got ready to teach it to her students. Key information. US versus UK. Jacket.
Puffer jacket, puffer.
Grammar tips.
Who subject pronoun. Used to ask which person does the action. Think, who equals he.
Example, who is going to the party?
Whose, possessive pronoun. Used to ask who owns something. Think, whose equals his.
Example, whose jacket is this?
The S sounds secret. Both whose and his end in the exact same sound. Listen and repeat.
Who is calling? Whose jacket is this? Who is going to the party? Whose house is that? Whose dog is barking?
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Whose jacket is this?
This is John's jacket.
Who is going to the party?
Mary is going.
Do you know whose house this is?
Yes, I know. It's Mary's house.
Please subscribe to the channel.
Please share it with your friends.